Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are doing an Allure beauty box unboxing. This is my first time doing this. I heard about it through the Allure magazine, which I get digitally, so I decided to try it out. So before we get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Go ahead and give me a big old like. Make sure you have your post notifications turned on so that you get notified every time I upload, and also make sure you're following me on Instagram. So let's get into it. Okay, so I decided to peel back the tape on the box, and this is what it came like. My address is obviously on the back, so I'm not going to show you that, but this is what the outer box looks like. I did open this part, but then when I got to the inside, I looked at the pamphlet a little bit, and I decided that we were going to open the beauty bag together. So this comes in it. It says Allure Beauty Box, and it has inside, I'm assuming, everything that is in the box. So we have some mascara, some eyeshadow, makeup brushes, a cleanser, as well as some brow gel, and what looks like lip pencils. So let's find out what's in. And of course on the back, for friends. So I also got a $25 gift, so that's that, and I'll go check that out. So this is the little bag, beauty bag, that was in the box. It's really cute. It's made of like a, I don't know, polyurethane maybe. So we have Model Co Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. You guys can see. So let's just open this and see what's inside. Oh, it's really cute. It looks like doll makeup, but this is what's inside, and it's like a brownish, kind of bronzy color. They have like shimmer in it, and this looks like kind of a fuchsia and gold. So that's really cute. And this is Metallic Eyeshadow Trio Mykonos. So that's that. That came in this little box here. Then we have Petal Spa Oil to Foam Flower Rose. Also we have here, let's take this out, see what this is. Mally or Molly, M-A-L-L-Y, Eye Color Shadow Stick Extra. That's this. Let's open it if we can. Oh, there it is. Ooh. So there you have that. Cool. I'll figure out how to use all this makeup. You guys know I really suck at makeup. So next we have the Brow Gal, Tanya Crooks, the Instant Brown Hair 02 Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. That's the pencil, and there's the gel inside. This is going to come in handy because, like many of you know, I've been complaining about the fact that my eyebrows are going thin. So this is perfect. And just draw them on in there. Nobody will know. I'll put that back in a minute. So let's continue on. So next, ooh, this is a pretty like container or whatever I'm trying to read. This is also by Molly or Mally, and it is, let's look in the book and see what this is. This is the Metallic Triad Eye, nope, that's not that, sorry. I don't know. Couldn't tell you guys. It's not in my little thing, so I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's like a lip thing or whatever, and it comes up on the brush, I'm assuming. But yeah, so that's that. It's really pretty. I love the packaging of this. It's really nice. And it says Mally right there. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, guys, please let me know. Then we have this nice little brush here in gold. It's like a goldish kind of color. If I can get it out of the packaging. It's always nice to have brushes. Feels pretty good. I love the design of it. So the next we have Mile High Club by Wander Beauty Volume and Length Mascara. Let's see. I don't know why I smell things. I always smell things, but that's awesome. So you get a pretty nice little selection of things in this little beauty box. I paid $10 because this was my first one, but I think it's like $15 a month. So we'll see. Maybe I'll keep up with it. And this is a Flower Lab Essence mask, hibiscus. So this is a face mask, I'm assuming. Yes. So maybe I'll try this tonight. And I can smell the hibiscus through the packaging. So I'm pretty satisfied with this Allure beauty box. It's really nice. Yeah, so I will leave the link if you guys would like to try the Allure beauty box. I love this little bag because you can kind of just throw this in your purse if you're like me and carry around big giant purses all the time. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you guys like this video. Also, if you guys are not subscribed to me on my vlog channel, where is it? I have the coldest water. I absolutely love this thing. I kind of did this as a trial and error to see if it would actually work, and I've had it for over a week now and it works perfectly. I am an ambassador, and the link is below if you want to try it out. There is also a link I will leave below for you to enter a contest if you would like. This is the 21-ounce bottle. It comes in different sizes, 32 ounce, they have gallon, they have 12 ounces, they have some with this, they have tumblers, they have some that just have the regular twist top without the straw and spout, but I like this because it'll fit on my bike water bottle rack in the summertime, so this is going to be great. But this is totally worth it, guys. You guys know that I would not be promoting anything or become a part of anything unless it works and I believe in it. And I truly love this thing because it definitely keeps my water cold all day long, and I love that I don't have to constantly go and, you know, dump the water out, get cold water. You know, it just stays in here. I can refill it all day and it stays cold. I haven't tried anything hot in it, so I don't know about that, but this water bottle keeps your water or any other liquid you may have in it cold for up to 36 hours, and it keeps your liquids hot for up to 12 hours. So make sure you check out the coldest water. Also, tell me what you like best about the Allure beauty box, and again, if I pronounce anything wrong, for all of you beauty people out there that may know, let me know how I, you know, if I did. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram because that's where I will leave updates and everything like that. All the rest of my social media is also down below. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn your bell, post notifications on so you get notified every time I upload. I have been vlogging 3 times a week since the beginning of the year. So if you guys want to check out our vlog channel, you can go ahead over to Nika's Life, and the link for that is down below, as well as the link to our movie review channel. So make sure you check that out. We do have a new movie review up, and we will have another one next week for Captain Marvel. So until next time,